If you've been praying and nothing is changing. If it feels like heaven is silent. If you're asking, God, did you forget me? This message is for you. Because I came to tell you today, God has not forgotten you. Sometimes the hardest pain is not what people do to us. It's what we think God has done. We feel overlooked. We feel abandoned. We feel like others are being blessed while we are being ignored. But hear this clearly. Delay is not denial. Silence is not absence. And waiting is not rejection. Isaiah 49 verse 15 says, "Can a woman forget her nursing child? Even if she may forget, I will not forget you." God says even if the impossible happens, even if a mother forgets her baby, I will never forget you. You may be crying alone. You may be fighting battles nobody knows.